Hey guys, it's here, it's here! Thank you, Amazon. I have been waiting last 2 days very patiently for this, and I can't wait to show you. Alright, so I cannot wait to open this, but in the meantime, I absolutely wish that I was on a trip with Eric. Right now he is in New York, actually on his way landing in Canada.
Hey guys, currently in Toronto, Canada, staying at Delta Hotels by Marriott. I got a couple more hours here, just waiting for the captain to get downstairs. We're gonna go get some Thai food. Got one more overnight. We go from here back to LaGuardia, Cincinnati, and then tomorrow we just go Cincinnati, LaGuardia, and then I deadhead, which I'm not working the flight, back to Miami. So I'm ready to be back home, ready to be back for clear skies and sunny, warm weather. So take care, talk to you later.
Let's just say I will take the Florida weather over the Canada weather right now. But in the meantime, I thought I would show you everything that is in our bag, and our camera bag actually. So I carry so many different pieces of electronics while we travel, and it gets a little insane. So right now I've got a pretty decent sized backpack, but you know, when I'm traveling, every time I'm reaching in, you know, trying to get past one camera to get to the GoPro, to get to this and get to all these different things. So with this, hopefully problem solved. Awesome! So instead of going with just a traditional backpack, yeah, we open this thing. I wanted to go with something that I can open up entirely. So, good space for laptop, looks like. But my goal was to be able to load everything up in front here so that I can see, I can reach in. And now I'm not carrying a backpack for, you know, my big camera that I'm shooting on now and a GoPro and a different backpack for the drone. There was just too much to carry. So now everything will be able to be put in one spot. Alright, well, that looks like a really good start. I'm sure as I travel with this, I will change up this configuration a little bit more, but let me show you everything that I travel with to do our vlogs. So, we'll start off with the DJI Mavic Pro. I got the controller, I've got some different filters so that if it's really bright out, or it's partly cloudy, I can change a filter and get a better photo on that. So, DJI Mavic Pro. Great drone. Couple extra batteries to go with it. Again, the controller. Here's the piece that holds the iPad mini. In fact, I don't have the iPad mini here, but I will find that spot for that in another pocket. Okay. Then I have the Lumix G7 camera, which I am shooting on right now, and I have a couple different lenses for it. Right now I'm shooting on a wide angle. This is a little bit more of a narrow angle, but great all around lens. I will put the Lumix probably in here, and then it has this awesome little pocket on the side where you can reach through and grab whatever it is that you want. So I will probably be able to easily access the camera and probably the GoPro. Alright, so right now I am shooting on, where is it? I shoot a lot with the GoPro Hero 7. I haven't upgraded to the 8, but as soon as the 9 comes out in September, that's probably what I will upgrade to next. So I've got a couple different cases for it, something just generic. This one's great for going underwater. This is another amazing case that I found. So when I'm trying to hook up a microphone to it, I use this case so that I can connect the microphone up top. It holds it. And then this is a little adapter. It slides in right here. And then I can plug my little microphone. Isn't that cute? Little dead cat. I can plug that in here and have a good setup. And then usually I will put something like this little suction cup underneath. It's something that I can connect to the window on the airplane and it'll hold steady. So this is one of my favorite things. And of course, a couple extra batteries. All right, so I do travel with a few different things that hold the cameras and the GoPros. I have this one that suction cups. It's absolutely wonderful for, you know, like I said, the plane windows. This one's a Gorilla Pod. It'll stand up, it'll wrap around things. You know, before I've gone through the airport with the GoPro in my suitcase and I just wrap this around the handles, and that's how you can see some of my steady walking shots. This is one of my favorite things. It is a gimbal. Now right now this one's just a gimbal for your cell phone or for the GoPro, and it'll level off, so as I'm walking through, you know, kind of shaking, this will help keep the camera steady. So this one's absolutely wonderful. Again, great. Another GoPro suction cup. Now this one is industrial style. This one, in some previous videos, Eric has actually suctioned this to the bottom of the wing, and like say on like a Cessna flight when I did aerobatics, and this thing stuck to the bottom of the plane through the entire flight. So this one is absolutely incredible. And then just another GoPro adapter, something that I can stand out here and hold this with. It also has a little tripod down here at the bottom that I can take out, flip around, and set up on something steady if I need. So yes, some things might be a little bit redundant, but they have very different purposes for each. So this is a great little backpack. I think I'll be using it quite a bit. Not to mention all the chargers, all the wires. There's so many different things that you need to carry. So this is a look inside of mine. This was just something also just bought on Amazon. I love Amazon for so many of these things. Let me get all this back in here. And also laptop. I go everywhere with this. So I think this is gonna be an absolutely amazing setup. So you'll probably see me carrying this backpack around a lot more. There's also some straps on the front side where I can hook up my tripod. So this is gonna be absolutely wonderful. It's gonna change the way I pack, it's gonna change the way we travel, and everything will be a lot more accessible. So Eric, while you're freezing there in Canada, I'm sitting here warm, but I will join you on another adventure. Guys, we have so many adventures coming up for this next month. I absolutely can't believe it. I'm so excited, so we'll catch you soon.